Hi guys, I'm here to take you guys on a journey of self-discovery. And by that, I mean a journey to pack with me. Also gonna be packing for my husband here, so wives, you're welcome. So, me and my husband are going to be going on a cruise because we just found out that we are cruisers. Originally, it was a myth that cruises were only for old people, but I'm here to tell you that we are not old.
I love the young people.
Come with me to pack for our 5-day cruise to the Caribbean. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this luggage is actually for prop. We're not gonna take this big luggage there. It's only 5 days. I was kind of saving that one for like our Alaska cruise. So we are going to be working with these. This one is a 16-inch. This one is a 24-inch. And this one is I don't know how big they are. So this one's gonna be mine and this one's gonna be his. And then this one will probably be for like toiletries and such. So yeah. This one's gonna be for our toiletries, the smallest one. So let's get popping. Okay, so the good thing about cruises is that you don't have to pack any like 3-ounce stuff. So literally I'm just taking all of my stuff that I usually use when I am grooming myself, and we're just gonna stick this whole big jugs in there. We got our shampoo, we got our conditioner, our body soap. I almost forgot the loofah. Don't forget the loofah. All right, loofah going in. Can't forget the face wash. I have my PM moisturizer. This one has a bunch of ceramide, so I'll insert a picture of my daytime one here too. But this is the one I use. I don't have it on hand. I'm gonna stick it in there. Also, so on cruises, you do end up taking a shower a lot. Well, at least I do, and I would hope that you do too, but hey, to each their own. So because we're gonna be showering like probably every day because we're gonna be going outside, we're probably gonna be sweaty. So I have my coconut oil here. It's like a special hair coconut oil. I got it at TJ Maxx. I apply this to my hair before showering, and so it makes it less damaged, especially if I shower every day. Let's move on to mouth care. We got our Listerine. We got our toothpaste, floss, toothbrushes. We gotta pack the unmentionables. Okay, so it is a 5-day cruise, so I'm going to bring 6 undergarments. Same for my husband. I remember when I was like looking for videos on like what to pack for my first cruise, I was like baffled at how many women were just packing for themselves, because that usually doesn't happen, right? Or is it just me? Anyways, I usually like to like coordinate me and my husband's outfits so that we match, or that we at least go together so that in case we take pictures, it looks coordinated. Honestly, socks are pointless in my opinion because we're not gonna be wearing socks. Wait, are we? I've decided I'm going to pack 1 pair of socks each. Got his and hers. Another thing that goes in the toiletries is a face towel. It's not that I don't trust the towels on the ships, like I'm sure they're clean. But it's just something about face towels that I just want to know, like, this has only been on my face, you know? Next, I'm going to pack some sleepwear, and honestly, we only wore like 1 pair of sleepwear each person last time for a 7-day cruise, so I'm gonna do the same thing. For your man, you want 1 comfortable shirt, 1 comfortable pair of shorts, even though he's probably gonna take it all off and just sleep in his boxers. And then for yourself, you're gonna want 1 comfortable shirt, 1 comfortable shorts, if that's how you like to sleep as well. Guys, I honestly think I'm packing faster on camera than I do like without the camera.
I am speed.
So thank you. I still have to buy these, but very important to pack flushable wipes. If you know, you know. If you don't know, I hope that you find out. So we can pack this one up. We might make it with 2 luggages, guys. Can you believe this? Okay, so let's pack the going out stuff. So I'm just going to pack stuff for sea days and then also for port days. Also, I will mention that we found ourselves not going swimming too much in the pools because the pools are often very crowded. We did want to dip in like once or twice, so I'm gonna bring 2 swimsuits each. So I'm gonna bring this one of my favorites. Husband to match with me, he's just gonna wear these short. And then for my second swimsuit, I'm just gonna wear this 2-piece, this. So I'm gonna pack him some black swim shorts. Okay guys, so I'm also gonna bring 1 pair of jeans each person because sometimes we just want to wear jeans and 1 pair of jeans is good enough because honestly, if we're wearing jeans, we're probably going to be going to like a show or like out to dinner. Then I'll just throw in a couple of casual shirts.
Or to watch shows, so I have this casual shirt, another one for me, another casual shirt, very comfortable.
So for him, we have 1 black shirt, 1 white shirt. This one says love God, love people, so we really like it. Okay, so the first port day, I'm going to come out looking like a peasant. So I'm gonna have this skirt here, linen skirt, very long, and then also this bralette thing here. So that's what I'm going to wear probably the whole day. Unless we go to dinner, then I'll probably change into the jeans and a shirt. He's going to wear this linen shirt kind of here, button up, so it's nice and cool. He'll wear these shorts. Second port day, he is going to wear these shorts, this white shirt, and I am going to wear these flowy linen pants and white shirt, color coordinated. Port days, he's going to wear this and this. I will wear this dress over here. So it's like a nice little linen dress here. This is a very like breezy outfit, which if we're gonna be walking, I'm gonna wanna have that breezy breeze. So for the next port day, I am going to wear this dress. So again, another neutral tone, kind of like this. And he will wear this button up. It's very cute. He will wear these shorts. Okay guys, we are almost out of luggage space. The good thing is we're almost done. So for arriving there and then leaving, I'm just gonna pack simple things. Just 2 pairs of shorts each. Very casual, I'm not gonna get wet in it. So we're just gonna pack 2 pairs of shorts and then also 2 shirts. So one of my outfits that I'm going to be going in is this one. So I can't pack this one, but I will pack 1 more for me. You wanna be comfortable, so I have a comfortable pair of shorts here and a comfortable shirt. And we got 1 comfortable pair of shorts for my husband. We got 1 comfortable shirt for my husband. 1 comfortable pair of shorts for my husband again. And we have 1 not so comfortable shirt for my husband. I'm just kidding, it's comfortable. So now we gotta get shoes.
Shoes.
I will not forget my makeup thing, so I'm gonna start packing that. So first I have my Cocoa Glow. This is some body spray. It smells like fresh coconut. And in here I have my eyeshadow, foundation, a BB cream in case I don't wanna wear foundation, my eyeliner, my blush, and some brushes. And really guys, all I end up using is eyeliner and my eyebrow thing, which is in my contour kit. So
I think you have too many shoes. Shut up!
So these are the ones that we're gonna be wearing most of the time. My Birkenstocks, his knockoff Birkenstock, these for me, his and hers. And then we have 1 pair of sneakers each. We have his Air Forces, my Air Forces, his and hers. So, and then finally for the port days when we're gonna be walking a lot, I have these. So these have the straps. They're kind of like chacos, but mine are not chacos. Yeah, so I'm gonna be wearing these. And for him, I do have his chacos. Brown, of course, because you know, me and browns and natural tones. I don't want to wear a purse when I'm out and about because I have back issues and he does not have back issues, so he's gonna wear his satchel. So we have his satchel, looks pretty Caribbean-ish. We are going to pack both of our sunglasses in here, both of our passports, both of our wallets, some lens wipes. Last thing we have to pack is the electronics. So we are currently using all of our electronic chargers, so I'm just going to tell you what to pack. 2 phone chargers. You need 1 laptop charger, you need 1 laptop, which I forgot to mention, but we like to watch movies, and so we stream them on our laptop. Well, partner, I hope that you had a fun time packing with me, because I sure didn't. Just kidding, it was fun. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I'm also going to be making a kind of vlog about our cruise, so stay tuned for that. Okay, bye!